thanks for watching today's video. Today I made a jig to do my hollow ground, and I'll cover that in a separate video. Also, I did the heat treat on the sword. Unfortunately, things go wrong. If you noticed when you saw the heat treat on the video, that it was red hot, which is what I really wanted, because I like to quench in water when I have a single-sided blade, and what I like to do is I like to just dip it in for a second, when it's red hot, and then take it out. Do that several times, and it gives you a nice hard blade, or a nice hard edge, without a being very brittle, or cracking, or warping. Anyway, when I pulled it out of the forge, it was red hot. I went to do just that, and unfortunately, the whole end of the knife fell in, and I pulled it out as quick as I could. But bottom line is, the sword became very brittle at the tip, so it was also warped. So what I did, I tried to straighten it out, and when I did that, this is what happened. So I'm going to start all over again, so please stay with me. Look to the next video. You'll see me forging a new sword. There's a couple things I want to change anyway. I want to make it longer. I'm not sure about the tang that I had in mind, but I might want to change that a little bit. So we'll see. In the meantime, since this is now heat treated and hasn't been having an edge ground in, I'm going to try my new jig on for the hollow ground display, and see how it goes. I'll show you more on that later. Anyway, thank you for watching, and have a good day.